Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the ADDMAX orthopedic heating belt. On the front of the box, we can see an image of an ailing back, which is one of the uses of this heating belt. On the bottom, on the front, we have a couple of the salient features of this heating belt. It includes 4-layer insulation, inbuilt thermostat, long-lasting heating coil, a cord length of 1.5 meters, Velcro belt for easy use, and 3 comfortable heating levels. On the right-hand side of the box, we have a couple more features that weren't mentioned on the front, which include made of soft and flexible materials, low power consumption mode, and automatic control of set temperatures. The left-hand side is exactly the same as the right, and on the back we have a few of the technical specifications. The technical specifications include 240 volts AC maximum power usage, and over here we can see the different temperature ranges for the 3 different heating modes. For example, position 1 has a temperature range of 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Position 2 has a heating range of 50 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. And position 3 has a range of 60 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. On the bottom, we have the power supply rating, which is 220 to 240 volts AC. The size of the heating belt is 29.5 centimeters to 21.5 centimeters. On top, we just have some ADDMAX branding, and there's nothing on the bottom. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material. First up, we have a thank you note, and it also gives you some information about where you can leave feedback. On the back, we have the instructions on how the device can be used. Coming to the heating belt itself, as we can see, it has a jade green color, and it is of a satin finish all across it. The satin finish is all over the belt except for on these Velcro lined straps. Here we have the power supply cable, and it also has an inline control module. The inline control module can be shifted between the different modes. For example, we have the numbers right here, and where we can see what mode it is on. Currently it is on 0 mode, which means that there will be no heating even if the device is plugged in. Next up, we have the first position, which will start heating the device. Next up is 2 and 3, and it will subsequently increase in heat with every subsequent rise in number. The cable is approximately 1.5 meters long, as we already know from the box, and it is the standard 2-pin Indian plug. Coming back to the heating belt, we can see some ADDMAX branding on one of the sides, and this can help you out with a few aches and pains. So this has been the unboxing of the ADDMAX orthopedic heating belt. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.